Hello everyone!
Ciao dear Sicily lovers!
Hello from Sicily. This is a beautiful location in the west side of Sicily. You can see behind us there the very beautiful shape of Mount Cofano. We are in the province of Trapani, and this is one of the most beautiful coasts in Sicily. Not only in Sicily, in Europe, you can enjoy beautiful pristine water, and of course, as always, the Mediterranean Sea. In this case, this is the Tyrrhenian Sea. Is always very calm. This is the area of Macari. Macari has been very popular in the last years because of beautiful TV series. A Sicilian production, an Italian production by RAI, settled in Sicily. So this time, Rosella and I will be kayaking along one of the most beautiful coasts of Sicily. We will start from a very beautiful rocky cove named Isulida, and we will reach one of the most beautiful sandy beach named Santa Margherita. So let's kayak all together.
I will try to help Gianca.
She will try to help me. It's very hard, but we will try. Ciao!
I'm lazy, guys! Gianca is doing the hard work.
hope you enjoyed this experience with us, and please don't forget that we own a tour company in Sicily named Best Things to Do in Sicily. So we can include this kayak tour, a boat tour, everything in your tour of Sicily, because we only provide tailored private tours of Sicily according to your needs and passions.
We look forward to taking care of you.
Don't forget the name, Best Things to Do in Sicily. This is the name of our website. You can contact us, you can send an email at info@bestthingstodoinsicily.com.
Guys, we love you, so it's time to say bye-bye.
Thanks for watching, see you the next one, and all together, Rosella.
Yes?
Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily! Ciao! Mwah.
Ciao, dear Sicily lovers! Ciao!